Hello friends, this is Eden from Eden's Kitchen. Today I will be cooking crunchy fried chicken wings. Here are the ingredients. Chicken wings. Ito po, malinis na siya at nakakat na rin. Cornstarch, ground black pepper, soy sauce, honey, vinegar, garlic, brown sugar, salt, ginger, garlic powder, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds. And also, we will be using cooking oil for frying. And please, you can check the proper measurement down below after finishing this video. Okay, let's start preparing. Okay, first let's marinate the chicken. Salt, ground black pepper, ginger, garlic powder. Okay. Malinis po ang kamay ko. Let's marinate this by hand. Mas easy. Okay. Let's marinate this for 30 minutes. Let's set this aside. Okay. After 30 minutes of marinating this chicken, now let's get our cornstarch para ma-dredge natin itong ating mga chicken. Ganito lang po. Okay. One by one. Okay, that's it. Ito po sila. Now, i-prepare na po natin yung ating cooking oil to fry this beautiful chicken wings. Okay, let me put some cooking oil dito sa ating pan. Gumagamit ako ng sunflower oil. Around 1 cup na oil. Basta kasi mas maganda kung naka-cover yung mga chicken, no? Okay. Mainit na po siya. Mas maganda po kasi talaga yung mainit talaga yung cooking oil natin. Okay, i-fry po natin ating mga chicken wings until lightly brown, crispy and tender on both sides. No? Siguro more or less mga 3 minutes per side. Kaya magdadalawang batches po tayo dito. Ito pa po yung ating piprituhin later. Yan, ang hinahanap po kasi nating texture nito, yung crunchy. Hanggang maging crunchy sila at golden brown. Same procedure po para mailagay na natin yung ating second batch. Okay, I think done na tong ating second batch. Alisin na natin. Okay, let's put a little bit of olive oil, around 1 tablespoon. Okay. Garlic. Saute natin ang garlic till golden brown. Ang ating soy sauce. Sugar. Dissolve natin to. Honey. Vinegar. Pumpkin seeds. Stir constantly like this for about maybe 30 seconds. smells so good. Okay, now, lagay na natin tong ating chicken wings, no? Oh my God. Lagay na natin lahat. I-toast natin ganito. Look at the pumpkin seeds. Oh my God, this is beautiful. They look so delicious. Crunchy. Juicy. There you go, guys. Our crunchy fried chicken wings. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Ililipat na natin to sa isang serving plate at pwede na po natin siyang iserve. Thank you so much and see you next time. Happy cooking! Okay, ayan po ang ating finished product. Crunchy fried chicken wings.